Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're brand new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you found my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video, I have something extra special to share with you. We will be creating the beautiful scarf using a Hobbii butterfly yarn. This particular butterfly yarn is called Northern Pearly Eye. It has 6 different colors in the skein, ranging from pink to purple and everything in between. It's this gorgeous variegation of light to dark, creating this beautiful gradient effect that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. In fact, I really wanted to use every one of the colors in this skein in the scarf that I made. So this is a one skein wonder right here, where I just used the one skein to make the one scarf. If you like these one skein projects, this is going to be perfect for you. When it comes to this particular project, I didn't want to give it the name Northern Pearly Eye Scarf. I wanted to have some kind of connection with nature. I really like to crochet things that have some kind of memory connection with it. So I went on Pinterest and I went to color palettes and locations, and I found a picture that nailed it. Oh my gosh, it's right here. It's called Desert Dreams. Now, obviously I'm not the photographer, so I'm not going to take any credit for the photography of this picture, but it is beautiful. In fact, every color in this picture you can find in this scarf right here, which is why I'm calling this scarf the Desert Dreams Scarf. Makes sense, right? But you don't have to use the same colors I'm using. Feel free to change up the colors to whatever you want and make your own Desert Dream scarf in whatever color variations that you desire. The crochet stitch that I am using for this project is called the Acacia Crochet Stitch. I did do a Tuesday tutorial on this stitch a while back, so if you look on my channel, you will find more information in regards to this stitch, including the multiple stitch count requirement and how to take this stitch and make whatever you want with it in whatever size, but I'm not going to particularly say that in this video. So if you want more information on the Acacia Crochet Stitch, I'll put a link in the description section below for you to check out that video. This project is perfect for the advanced beginner crocheter, though the expert crocheter would have a lot of fun with this project as well. When you are ready, let's go ahead and dive right into what materials that I used to make the beautiful Desert Dreams scarf. The yarn that I used is Hobbii butterfly yarn in the color Northern Pearly Eye. This is a size 3 weight yarn or DK sized yarn. I used an entire skein to make my scarf. Now the Hobbii butterfly yarn has approximately 547 yards, 500 meters, 200 grams, or 7 ounces of yarn in just one skein. Now that's a lot of yarn in just one skein. The dimensions of the scarf that I was able to make is 6 inches wide by 113 inches long. It's a long scarf. That's what I wanted. But if you don't want a scarf that is that long, then just continue to use a size 3 weight yarn, DK sized yarn. But as long as you have at least 200 yards of yarn in your skein, you should be able to use one skein to make a decent sized scarf. The other materials that I used to make the scarf, the crochet hook is a G7 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and then the other normal things like the yarn needle, tapestry needle, the embroidery scissors, and optional is a measuring tape. I will have links to everything that I used in my project in the description section below this video. So if you want to get your hands on anything that I used, just click that link, purchase the item, and have it shipped directly to you out of ease and convenience. Otherwise, go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started making our Desert Dream scarf. We begin by chaining 31 chains. Great, now let's start row 1. For row 1, we will double crochet in the 4th chain from our crochet hook. The skipped 3 chains count as your first double crochet and chain 1. Single crochet in the next chain. Pull up a loop on your hook to measure approximately 3/4 of an inch. Skip the next 3 chains. And then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the next chain. 2 double crochet in the next chain. 1 double crochet in the next chain. 2 double crochet in the next chain. 1 double crochet in the next chain. 2 double crochet in the next chain. 1 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 double crochet in the ne Pull up a loop on your crochet hook that measures approximately 3/4 of an inch. Skip the next 3 chains. And double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain. Repeat this pattern all the way across for row 1, ending with the last 2 stitches on the chain. At the end of row 1, we are going to skip that first chain and single crochet in the last chain. Great, row 1 is complete. On to row 2. For row 2, we will start by chaining 3 and turning our work. Skip the first single crochet and double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Pull up a loop on your hook to measure approximately 3/4 of an inch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Pull up a loop on your hook to measure approximately 3/4 of an inch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Repeat this pattern across for row 2, ending with the last 2 stitches. At the end of row 2, skip the next double crochet stitch and single crochet in the top of the turning chain. This will end row 2. For row 3, through the end of row 294, all we are going to do is repeat row 2. Now, of course, you do not have to end at 294 rows. You could end much sooner than that. There is no special last row instructions. So literally make your scarf and as long as you want, and when you have reached the dimensions that you like, finish off that row, tie off your work, weave in your ends, and your project is complete. Well, there you have it. The Desert Dream Crochet Scarf. Let me go around one more time. One more time. There we go. I hope you loved this project just as much as I did making it. If you would like, at the end of your scarf, feel free to add fringe or tassels to the bottoms to give it a little extra flair, something. I really liked having it plain, and I just tied a knot at the end of each of my scarf ends to give it a little extra weight, so that way it laid flat straight the way I wanted it to. It behaves. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And if you do make this scarf, please tag me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, at Crochet with Tiffany, so that way I can see it. Guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today and making this project with me. Now remember, don't just make something to make something. Create a memory. I hope you have the best day, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.